Hello students, you welcome to Students Helper channel. Students, today I am going to take your English lecture. So if you like this, please like and subscribe this channel. Hello students, how are you? I hope today also you are good and healthy. Students, see, today we are going to learn lesson number 5 of English. Okay, and do you know what is the name of this lesson? The lesson number 5 is Let's Learn Alphabet. Students, do you know alphabet? Yes, each and every students know very well what is alphabets. Okay, because we all have learned these alphabets in our senior KG. Okay, but students, see, in this lesson we again have to see alphabets. Okay, so see, let's learn alphabets. Here what we have to do first, say look and say. Okay, so first, see, in this lesson there are small letters and capital letters are given. So students, can you tell me how many alphabets are there in English? There are 26 alphabets in English. So let's learn first small letters. Okay, what we have to see first? We have to see first small letters. Okay, so students, see what is in front of you. This is small letters of English. Okay, now see, what is this? A. A for apple. What is this? B. B for ball. This is C. C for cat. What is this? D. And D for dog. This is E. E for elephant. This is F. F for fish. What is this? This is G. G for grapes. This H. H for hen. I. I for ice cream. This is J. J for joker. What is next? This is K. K for kite. This is L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N for nest. This is O. O for orange. What is this? P. P for parrot. This is Q. Q for queen. This is R. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. This is T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watch. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yak. And this last one is Z. Z for zebra. Okay, so this way what we have seen small letters. Okay, So students, what is this? These are small letters. Okay. And can you tell me these small letters again? Now I am repeating all letters. Okay. You just have to listen. Okay. See, this is A. What is this? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay. Now students, see, we have seen ABCD small letters. Now let's see what is this. Tell a word that begins with any letter. For the example, see what is this. This is T. So you have to tell a word or write a word which will start from the letter T. T for table. What is this? B. B for bat. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. Okay. You can take any letter. For example, K. K for kite. Okay. You can take M. M for monkey. If you took A for aeroplane. A for apple. Okay. If you took B, B for ball, B for bat, B for balloon, C for cat. Okay. C, O for orange, O for onion, S for sheep, S for sun. So you can take any word, you can take any letters, and you have to write the word that is begin with that letter. Okay. So did you understand? Now let's see capital letters. Okay. What is this? These are capital letters. How many letters are there? 26. Again look and say. Okay, again what you have to do? Look and say capital letters. Okay, see the first letter is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay? You want to tell again this with me? A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for hen, I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for wing. R for rabbit. S for sheep. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Okay, so this way today we have learned again alphabets. Okay, students. So see what you have to do. You have to arrange the following letters in proper order. So see what is this? Some alphabets are given. In this what is given? D, K, W and A. So students, in alphabet what come first? D come? No. K? No. W? No. What is come first? A. So what you will write here first? You will write A. Okay. Then what is coming after A? See students, what is coming first? A. Okay. So you have to write here first A. After A, what is coming? B. But is this B given? No, in this question B is not given. Then what come after B? C. C is given? No. Then D. Okay. Then what's come after D? E. It is there? No. F given. It is there? No. G? No. H? No. I, J and K. So K is there in this? Yes. So you have to write here K. Okay. And afterwards we will write W. So this is called alphabetical orders. So you have to check what come first and what's come later. Okay. Now again students, see here. What is this? Here again you have to arrange this in alphabetical order. So for solving this, first what we have to see? We have to see the capital letters. Okay. Now let's see. A, J, B, Y, S. So what is come first here? Look at here. The first come B. Okay. So this will be the first number. After B, what is there? E. Okay. So this E will be second number. Then there will be J. The J will be third number. Then S. Okay. This S is on 4 number. And the last one is Y. This will be into the 5 number. So how will you will write here? We write here as the first will be B. After B, what's coming? E. After that, J. After that, S. And after that, there will be Y. So what we have did here? We have arranged this letter into the alphabetical order. Okay? Understood? So this way, you have to solve this question.